Hi, this is Jack Downs. I'm here in Ward 114 where you're going to be doing your webcam production, webcam recording. And you may or may not remember, but in the corner of Ward 114 is the webcam room. You can see it's got a sign on the door. When you approach the room to begin with, I suggest if the door is closed, listen. If you don't hear anybody speaking and recording inside for some time, knock gently. No answer, open carefully. You don't want to disturb someone else's recording. Your recording should only take 10 or 15 minutes, unless you need to do them and redo them a number of times, and maybe a little longer, but it's not that extensive a thing. But when you've established that the room is open, and hopefully it's been left open so you know what it is, you'll go in and do your recording. You'll make sure to turn the sign to or from vacant to recording in progress. You'll turn on the overhead light, and both of these photographic lights that are in the room, both should be on. You'll see there's a switch for the lights on the cord. Now I'll go ahead and do a little screencast of the kinds of things you'll be looking for on the PC. Oh, by the way, there should be cleaning material in this room or nearby, and just outside of the webcam studio itself, so you can clean your workstation before and after you use it. Also, although there's two computers in here, only one person is allowed in at a time. I guess that's about it for now. I'm going to now do the screencast. Hi, this is Jack Downs. I'm here to show you how to do this webcam recording. I'm assuming you've already rewritten your script, practiced your script, maybe even memorized it. That'd be great. You've gone to the webcam room. You brought your script with you. Maybe you've attached it to the monitor. First thing I want you to do is to make a folder. Make a folder to put your video files in. So obviously I've got the computer online now. That's what you're looking at. A few ways we could do this. I'm just going to bring up on my computer window. Shortcut is Window E. Go to the thaw space. I already have a folder here. I'll make a new one for this exercise. Right click in the white area, New Folder, and I'll say Jack New. Sure, why not? And then I'm going to, that's done. I can leave this window up here. That's the folder my files will go into, but I'm going to tell the program to put my files there. To do that, I'm going to open up my Logitech software. And I think I already have it open. Yes, I do actually. Oh my goodness. Let's pretend I didn't have it open. Let's start it over again. That's not fair. Open up the software. I'm going to click on Quick Capture, and there I am. Okay. No big surprise. And click on Preferences and tell it that for my video folder, I want it to be someplace else. I made a folder. It's going to be in the thaw space, and it's going to be Jack New. Jack New, there it is. Say OK. Now it knows that folder, so I say Save, and that means that it will put my videos in that folder. Good. Also, I want to make sure I'm not on photo, but I'm on video. So video's on. Good. And I want to look on the webcam is the correct choice here. Mic this is the correct choice. HD Pro webcam. You may see in some other versions of this exercise something about using a excuse, I got some paint on my fingers here. That's what that is. It's not blood. From painting a shed. You may see some reference to a lav mic. We're not going to use lav mic this semester. We're just going to use the webcam mic, just to make things simpler, and with the virus and everything. So that looks fine. The other thing you have to change over here, though, is this is very important. Change the resolution to medium resolution. We're going to leave it there. Make sure you make that change before the next thing, which might involve maybe you want to zoom in a little bit. One click of zoom. Maybe you want to arrange you do definitely want to arrange your framing. See, my head is being cut off just slightly here. I'm going to take the webcam and just move it just a little bit. So I'm near the top of the frame, but maybe not exactly at the top. Something like that. I also want to move central. You kind of have to go backwards of where you're going to go, or reverse what you want to do. About central to the frame. Also, make sure if this is set so you're seeing some of the side of the curtain. No, we just want to see the white curtain back there. So you have to move your chair, move the monitor, move the webcam, eventually get the framing just right. Okay, good. And what else? Now you want to do your recording, but you relax. Don't get concerned. Oh, by the way, I'm not dressed very professionally, but you know, this is summer when I'm doing this, so get yourself all set. You're framed correctly. You can see probably a little bit of your shoulders and your head. You've got your script up there. You've taped it up so that it's near the camera. So when you're looking at the script, you're looking at the camera or very close to it. So up near the top of the, maybe even cut it in half and taped it in 2 different pieces there. That's a good idea. Or maybe memorized it. You don't even have to see it. That's even better. So you ready to go? Good. Okay. You click on the green button. It's a little countdown. 3, 2, 1. You're getting more and more tense. You're getting worried. You're going to rush into it. Don't rush into it. Just wait, smile a couple of seconds, then speak your script. Relax. It's supposed to be funny. Don't rush through it. Do your script. Then when you're done, when you've finished, what you don't want to do is all of a sudden reach for that mouse to turn it off. No, we'll see you do that. Just wait, smile, give a couple of seconds, then carefully turn it off. Okay. So I've captured the video, and it shows it right here. Maybe I did a good job. I hope so. I'm going to double click or single click. I'll do it on this, and now that's not me speaking. This is something else. That's me doing the webcam recording that you just heard a moment ago. Okay, so it'll play here, and you can review what you did and see if you liked it or didn't. Okay, you have headphones you listen to. You're not hearing the sound from the recording I made now because the headphones are plugged in. You put the headphones on, you listen to the recording, you say, oh, it's perfect. Oh, no, probably not. You have to do it again. Okay, you delete it if you wish or not. You could click on this button here to go back to the beginning and do another one, and do another one, and do another one. Eventually, you'll get the one you like. And you'll pay attention to which one it is. And if you go back to the folder you made on the thaw space Jack New, there it is. You'll see the file starting to accumulate in here. Eventually, you'll get a good one. You'll have put your drive into the computer. You'll know you're gonna put it on the drive. You're gonna take it with you. Good. That's all set. Excellent. Now you're going to do it again, but different this time. You work hard on getting that first recording good. Now you're going to do one that's kind of for fun. Don't have to work hard on it. Just make one of them. You're going to go to Effects, and you're going to try either one of these avatars or one of these face accessories or fun filters or video masks. Let's go to a fun filter. Here's one. How about this? Oh my goodness, look at that strange filter thing. I would do my recording like this, just to be silly. I just do it once through. I'm not going to listen to it and get it right or whatever. Your first one, let's change this. This is too annoying, right? Okay, good. Let's see. Can I do this? How about a cat? Now, these calibration screens, you can click on calibrate if you want, but it seems to have trouble with it sometimes. So I usually just don't even bother with the calibration and click out of it. But look at my mouth is opening. It's kind of trying to follow me, and my eyes. I have some trouble with glasses sometimes. But there's my head going back and forth. I'm a cat. All right. So as a cat or a shark or other something else, you're doing your recording one more time. It's not getting my mouth very well, is it? And this time you're just doing it, just to be silly. And then you're going to just make sure you take the good one you worked hard on, and then this funny face one. Let's go out of here. Well, good enough. This funny face one. And you're going to take those both with you. Now there's going to be some editing to do, and you can there's more about that in your instruction sheet.